Today we bring you a curated collection of 10 powerful lower back relief exercises that are guaranteed to leave you feeling stronger, more flexible, and ready to conquer the world. Let's get started. Whether you're dealing with chronic lower back pain or just want to prevent it from happening in the future, these exercises are a great place to start. Number 1. The cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a great exercise for loosening up the lower back muscles and improving flexibility. To start, you'll need to be on all fours, with your hands and knees on the floor. As you inhale, arch your back and lift your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. This motion will look like a cat arching its back. As you exhale, round your spine and tuck in your chin. This motion will look like a cow with a rounded back. Repeat this movement for a few repetitions. You can also add a gentle swaying motion to the hips to help loosen up the lower back muscles. Number 2. The child's pose. The child's pose is a gentle exercise that can help to relieve tension in the lower back muscles. To start, you'll need to be on all fours, with your hands and knees on the floor. From this position, you will gently sit back on your heels, reaching your arms out in front of you as you lower your head towards the floor. Keep your back straight and your hips resting on your heels. This exercise is great for stretching the lower back muscles and can help to alleviate pain and discomfort. It also helps to release tension in the shoulders and neck. It's important to breathe deeply and relax while performing the exercise, and to hold the position for a few deep breaths before releasing. Number 3. The pelvic tilt. The pelvic tilt exercise is a simple yet effective exercise for relieving lower back pain. It helps to strengthen the muscles in the lower back, which can help to reduce pain and discomfort. To start, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. As you inhale, arch your back and lift your hips towards the ceiling. You should feel a contraction in your lower back muscles. As you exhale, lower your hips back down to the floor. Make sure to keep your abdominal muscles engaged throughout the exercise to avoid putting pressure on your lower back. Number 4. The hamstring stretch. The hamstring stretch is a great exercise for relieving tension and pain in the lower back. To start, sit on the floor with your legs straight out in front of you. Reach forward and try to touch your toes. As you reach forward, you should feel a stretch in the back of your legs, particularly in the hamstring muscles. This stretch can help to alleviate tension and pain in the lower back. It's important to keep your back straight as you reach forward and avoid rounding your back. You can also try bending one knee at a time to focus on stretching one leg at a time. Number 5. The plank. The plank exercise is a great exercise for building core strength, which can help to support the lower back. To start, you'll need to be in a push-up position, with your arms straight and your hands shoulder-width apart. The key to this exercise is to hold the position for as long as you can while engaging your core and keeping your back straight. This exercise helps to engage the core muscles, which can help to provide support and stability to the lower back, reducing pain and discomfort. Number 6. The Superman. The Superman exercise is a great exercise for strengthening the muscles in the lower back and providing relief from pain. To start, lie face down on a mat with your arms and legs extended. As you inhale, lift your arms and legs off the floor. Hold the position for a few seconds, and then release. Make sure to keep your head and neck in a neutral position, and avoid lifting them off the mat. This exercise helps to engage and strengthen the muscles in the lower back, which can help to reduce pain and discomfort. It also helps to improve stability and balance in the lower back area and can help to prevent future injuries. Number 7. The bridging exercise. The bridging exercise is a great way to strengthen the muscles in the lower back, which can help to reduce pain and discomfort. To start, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms at your sides, with your palms facing down. As you inhale, lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes as you lift. Keep your abs engaged to avoid putting pressure on your lower back. Hold the position for a few seconds and then release. Number 8. The lunges. The lunges exercise is a great way to build strength and stability in the lower back. To start, you'll need to stand with your feet hip-width apart. Take a big step forward with one foot, then bend your front knee as you lower your body towards the floor. Make sure to keep your back straight and your chest up. This will help to engage the muscles in the lower back and legs. As you lower yourself down, the back leg should be straight and the front knee should be at a 90-degree angle. Push yourself back up to the starting position by pushing through the front heel. It's important to keep your abdominal muscles engaged throughout the exercise to avoid putting pressure on your lower back. Number 9. The deadlifts. The deadlifts exercise is a great way to build strength and stability in the lower back muscles. This exercise may seem intimidating at first, but with the proper form, it can be a powerful tool in reducing lower back pain. To perform a deadlift, you'll need a barbell or a pair of dumbbells. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart, and hold the barbell or dumbbells in front of your thighs. Keep your back straight, bend your knees slightly and hinge forward from the hips as you lower the weights toward the floor. Make sure to keep your back straight throughout the movement. Number 10. The swimming exercise. The swimming exercise is a great exercise for strengthening the muscles in the lower back, which can help to reduce pain and discomfort. To start, lie face down on a mat, with your arms and legs extended. Simultaneously lift your right arm and left leg off the floor, then lower them back down. Repeat the movement, this time lifting your left arm and right leg. Keep your head down and your back straight. This exercise helps to engage the muscles in the lower back, strengthening them and helping to reduce pain and discomfort. It also works on the core muscles, helping you to maintain a strong posture, which can also help to support the lower back. From targeted stretches to strengthen your core to dynamic movements that increase flexibility. Each exercise has been carefully selected to provide maximum relief and support for your lower back, ensuring you can enjoy a pain-free, active lifestyle. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your road to recovery. But with consistency, dedication, and the right guidance, you'll be amazed at what your body is capable of achieving. Congratulations, you made it to the end of this video. Make sure to click the link in the description for a proven way to get rid of all kinds of lower back pain for good. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell button for more tips on human behavior. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.